make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching the video here on M54 and more. As you can see, we have a nice, well, kind of nice N55 engine, whatever. But we are changing the auxiliary radiator. Let me show you here. My homeboy got into a little accident, so it messed up the radiator, and his AC is now not working because that's what helps cool the AC and everything. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and I just got off of work, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out as quick as possible. I'm gonna pull all this up and then see exactly what I need to do. All it has is 2 connections on this side, and it has this nice plastic on it, so we're gonna see. So let me go ahead and get to it, pop on my music. I'm not really gonna show this because all it is little clips. You just pull these clips, take this out, and then I'll look at everything else, and I might even put his grills back in for him because that one busted out. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm not gonna get too happy yet. I'm not gonna get too happy. All right. You hear me out. So I pull this piece off, and then this piece off. These were T30s on this right here, and then 16 millimeters right here. And the auxiliary radiator is basically exposed. So I'm hoping that all I need to do is pull this connection and the one down bottom, and it comes out. If that happens, I will be Gucci, and I'm gonna clean this out for him. Glenn, if you're watching this, be happy. I'm gonna clean this out for you because this is terrible. You are losing so much cooling right here. It's crazy. Actually, let me get a light to showcase this. Oh my goodness. Alright, so yeah, that's another thing. Whenever you're doing work like this, clean out areas like this because this is bad. Car overheats from this type of stuff. So yeah, let me go ahead and try to get this out, and then we'll see. 1 clip, 2 clip at the bottom, and let's see what happens. Alright, so I haven't even started cleaning it because I wanted y'all to see this ridiculousness. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. This is crazy. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna clean this out for him, and while this is out and everything, I have access, I'm gonna try to put his grills in. It's my barber, so you know I gotta look out for my boy. So let me clean this out or whatever, and then I'll try to get a little video, post up the tripod over there, try to get a little video of me shimmying the auxiliary radiator in. So let's get it. Okay, so we got the area all cleaned up. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, we got the area all cleaned up, got all this dirt out of his actual radiator. So now I'm gonna attempt to put the auxiliary radiator in. We'll see how easy this goes. Okay, so it went in pretty decent. I just had to shimmy this side a little bit to get this latch in. I got this connection on, I got the connection down there. The only thing was this little plastic piece that you have to turn, get in that groove, and then another little groove down there. Can't really see it, but there's a tiny little groove down there it has to get into. So that was the only other little issues that I was running into. But everything looks good. It's all secure in there. Obviously this is not secure because the pieces are out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these pieces back in. I'll get a little snippet of that, and then we will be G2G, fill it up and run the pump for it. All right, we are basically done. I'm not gonna put the whole cover on because I still can see the connections and I wanna see if they're leaking. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and fill up both of the reservoirs and run the car and see if I can do the bleeding and see exactly what else I need to do. And then that will be it. Okay, so the bleeding is done. It was the same procedure as, whatchamacallit, as the E92, but I'll go over it real quick. Same procedure is, make sure you have a charger, like a jump box on there. Fan all the way to the first selection. Heat all the way up. Press and hold the gas pedal after you're on ignition. Press and hold the gas pedal for about 10 seconds and the electric water pump will come on. This is for any car with an electric water pump. So cars like Nipsey does not have it. So it's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and see how it runs and see if the AC is working and if it's leaking. All right, so I did the brake bleed and everything. Started the car, ran it for a while. Everything is good, it's not leaking. I even put the new grills in for him, so it doesn't look as bad, but he needs to get that bumper fixed because it does look bad. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this cover piece back on since it is not leaking, and then that'll be it. All right, so as you can see behind me, it's on. AC is running cold, especially for being in Tucson. It is about to get hot, so my boy is lucky that I got this running for him. Yeah, I'm ashy. I don't want to hear nothing about it. But hope this video helps somebody. If you haven't done so, please put a like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn notifications, and hit that share button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.